Okay guys, back again. This is a video unboxing because this packet need to unboxing. Okay, fragile, avoid the rain and keep away from heat. Okay, this is a package to me from the Mix and Basic Ciputat, Kota Tangerang Selatan. Let's go. Open this. Should be a thing like this. This is Vital Protein Collagen Peptides. Okay, should be like this. I buy an identical way like this. Let's check it out. My new cutter. All is full circles. Let's open this. Okay, still safe like before. I think you can touch anything. Okay, let's open this. Unboxing video for claim, but we don't need to claim. Identical on the top. Let's open that layer by layer. Okay. Oops, almost hit my car. My mini car collections. Okay, quite safe. Identical actually. Let's see. This is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. 10 grams collagen per serve. Support healthy skin, support healthy joints, unfluffed. 567 gram E. Let's see with this. Okay. Oh, it's a different. This is healthy skin. This is for skin, hair, and nail and joint support. Healthy joints. This is grass-fed. 20 gram collagen per serve. Okay. This is the difference. Let's see on 2027. I think it's a new package or what? Look your best. Look and feel your best. This is a different. I will confirm it with the seller. Why so different? Okay, inside this should be like this. You can see like that. I will open this. It's still cycles too. Okay. Okay, let's continue to open this. Okay, this is still full. Let's see, this is any arrow in here. It should be like this. Yes. Oh, like that. Okay. Let's see inside this. VP same. Okay. And the moment of truth. Oh. Okay. Still have this. And we could open this. With this. Okay. Got some closer like this. Okay, let's reopen this seal. says direction like this. Oh, okay. You can see this is same. Okay, same, exactly same with this texture. Exactly same. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh yes, the function of this collagen peptides is to make your joint works well, maintain muscle, healthy muscle, bones, and protein for tissue building and repair. You look your best. Okay, can be mixed and drink with hot or cold water. And this is for the nutritions. This is from Australia. More nutritions for your skin, tissue building and repair, and healthy muscle and bones. Okay, it's the nutrition information, and thank you for watching.